Yeah.
Oh,
Hello.
Look behind you.
He has a chainsaw?
Me.
I have a chainsaw.
Yeah, I got a chainsaw.
Alright, chainsaw guy.
Yep.
He's revving it.
Yeah, just pulling.
A katana.
Yeah. Why don't we get another one of them in here?
Yeah,
Oh,
we'll get
okay,
another
nice
knife guy in here. It's gonna be 8 versus 1.
Well, I guess you all
Ravos is gonna win.
He's never gonna beat us.
Well, it's about time I get introduced. Yes, gun. Alright.
Anyways, we all know that gun is actually I'm gonna switch to my metal bag. 5v1. He's gonna win. Because I'm gonna switch to my metal bag just because.
Well, I mean,
What are you doing?
get to work.
Get to work.
Get to work.
I'm gonna get to work.
It's not cutting. It's not cutting. What is yours?
First.
No. That's
Strike.
down. I'm gonna go.
Please, bro.
You go first.
No, my hand. No, thank you.
No.
Oh, no. Crap. No,
hand.
Please,
Stop.
No.
Oh, neck.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna shoot. Please, bro. Okay, please. Come stop. I'm just gonna snatch this. Hopefully there's nobody else.
It's gonna be
Hit
creep
me.
up
Behind him, yeah? Come on. Yeah. No. Get in that train. This train coming. You see the train? I gotta go. Yeah. I'm stuck. Come on. Yeah.
It's a little bit hard to fight, huh?
Yeah, man. Dodge.
Good job, Jason, huh?
Yup. Yeah. Come on. Get it. Stab you. Stop my arm. Hey, please do anything. Please. No. Die. I'm gonna sneak up on him, and he's never gonna expect this. Hey-ya!
Ow.
Oh, damn. Okay. Yeah. No, please. My last word.
Well, any
No,
last words?
please. No. Bye-bye.